Hello and welcome to the program. Today we're going to learn how to read candlesticks for stock market charting. Each candlestick represents a time in the market, and usually you set that with your whatever program you're using. One candle can represent a whole day, or maybe just 5 minutes. So let's just go ahead and say this is a one-day action in this candlestick. So right now what I'm outlining here is the body, okay, which means the price opened up right here and might have got pushed down, which is the candle wick, and then got pushed all the way up to a very high on the candle wick, and then closed here. And that would be a bullish candlestick, meaning the price is going up. And then say the next day, it opens here because it closed here. It opened here. It might have gone a little higher, but then resistance came in and started pushing it all the way down to a very low. This is the wick. And then came back up. Some buying pressure pushed it up, and it closed here. And that would be a bearish candlestick. Now, to go in more detail, here this shows the body, upper wick, lower wick. So the body is where the price opened here at the bottom and closed up here. But throughout the day, it might have made it up to here, so they call that the wick, upper wick, and extended maybe also low, the lower wick. But nevertheless, it ended up higher, so it was bullish. Now a bearish candlestick. Okay, here's the body. The open price was here. It might have squeezed up a little higher, and then a selling pressure pushed it all the way down to the lowest point. Then some buyers came in, support, and it closed here at the end of the day. Now, we said this right now, we were just assuming this was a one-day time frame. You can adjust on whatever software you're using to look at your charts. This could be a 5-minute time frame, this candle. So every 5 minutes, you'll have a candle. So if it's 12 o'clock noon, then at 12:05 you'll have a new candle here, 12:10 another candle, and so on. Let's go ahead and look at what the candles mean. Okay, obviously the most bullish here is when you have a full engulf body. Okay, there was just store opened and closed. That could be in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or a whole day. And then the second most bullish will be where there's a big wick, which means, okay, it opened here, there's the body. Sellers might have came in and pushed it all the way down, but then support came in and buyers started pushing it all the way back up and closed above where it opened. So it's like a top of a hammer there. That means there's a lot of support here. Okay. A normal bullish candle where there's a little bit of a wick here and a little bit of a wick here. Obviously it opened here, closed here. Neutral, where it was fluctuating, but ended up almost in the same places where it opened. Opened here, closed here. Now the least bullish would be when sometimes they call this like a shooting star, or upside down hammer. You're getting, what happens is the price opened here, went up, then all the sellers pushed it way back down. Not enough buyers. The sellers came in and it closed here. So that's the least bullish. Now the bearish, obviously it opened here, closed here. Same thing here, which means the candlestick opened here, top of the body. Sellers might have, or the buyers came in, started buying it, hit resistance, and the sellers pushed it all the way back down to where it closed here. That's a very bearish looking candle there. Here's your normal bearish. You got wicks on each side. Neutral. It's still a red candle. It opened here at the top of the black line. Closed here. Least bearish. So the candle opened here. Resistance pushed it all the way down. Selling action. Buyers came in as support, pushed it all the way back up, but it closed here lower than where it opened. But that shows that it's the least bearish, and it might be, stock might be going up. So there you have it. Hopefully this works for you and kind of answers your questions on how to read candlesticks or charts. Again, you can change what each candle time frame is. Could be a 1 minute, where every minute you get a candle. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, daily, weekly. So please support the channel. Just click the subscribe button below. And I like it. YouTube likes it. And thank you for watching.